So today I will solve two questions from your textbook, and question number one is from page number 307. Okay, the first question is from the page number 307. Question number 4, 307, and question number 4. And in this question, you are given two circles, and these two circles intersect each other at some point P and Q, and then we will like here this P and Q, and then draw two lines, straight lines from this point and also from this point, and then join this and this. This is here A, this is C, and this is in this, yes, AC, and this is your BD. Okay, so we are given this. The question is that there are two circles, and the two circles are intersecting at the point P and Q, and then two straight lines are drawn through the point P and Q, and the line which is passing through P cuts this circle at A, and this line at C, and this at B, and this at D. Then we have to prove, okay, in this we have to prove that AC parallel to BD. To prove AC parallel to BD, so first prove that this angle equal to this angle. That is, say here that angle ACQ plus angle APQ equal to 180 degree. Okay, number one, you will write the reason, and the reason is that the angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, because here APQC is a cyclic quadrilateral, so angle ACQ plus angle APQ will be equal to 180 degree. So this next angle APQ plus angle APQ, that is this angle plus this angle, is equal to that is BPQ is equal to again 180 degree, because this is by you can say that straight angles here. Angles, or they are also called the linear pair angles. So from 1 and 2, what we get here, angle ACQ plus angle APQ equal to angle AQP plus angle BPQ. Now here APQ and APQ will cancel, and then we have angle ACQ equal to angle BPQ. Okay, and this is number 3, suppose. Okay, so ACQ plus ACQ is equal to, that is angle BPQ. Next, again, you know that BPQD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, and therefore we will write here that angle BPQ plus angle BDQ equal to 180 degree. Again, because the same reason here, you will write some reason. That is, reason is that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary here, and you must mention when you write. And here I am not writing, but you must write in your copy when you solve. So angle BPQ plus angle BDQ equal to 180 here. And next, now here see that BPQ equal to ACQ here, and therefore write here that angle ACQ plus angle BDQ equal to 180 degree. That is now C. And next we can also write, because it is ACQ, and we can write ACQ as ACD also, because the CQ and CD are the same angle. So angle ACD, and BDQ means BDC. So angle BDC equal to 180 degree. So now what we have proved here, that see that ACDB is a quadrilateral, and in this quadrilateral these two are the adjacent angles, and the sum of these two adjacent angles is 180 degree, means they are supplementary, and therefore AC and BD must be parallel. So it is proved then. That is, here write that since and that is the adjacent angles in quadrilateral AB DC are supplementary and therefore we have here AC parallel to BD, because here these two are the adjacent angles and this is the transversal angle. That is why AC and BD are parallel. So in this way we will prove this. So understood this question? I hope you understood this question. The next one I will solve from the page number 310. Okay, so see the question from the page number 310, and in this page number 10 there is a question number 10. Okay, page number 10, 310, and the question number 10. So the page number 310 and question number 10. In this question, you are given a parallelogram. So I will draw the first circle, and there is a parallelogram in this. So you have A, B, C, D, and first we have a parallelogram ABCD, and we have drawn a circle which is passing through A and B, and this circle is intersecting the sides AB and BC at E and F. Okay, this is E and this is F. So then join this, and then we have to prove that now AB, EF is a side quadrilateral here, but we have to prove that the points E, F, C, D are also concyclic. Means if you draw any circle through point E, F, C, D, then it will pass through this. That is the points to prove here. To prove the points E, F, C, D are concyclic. Okay, we have to prove that the points E, F, C, D are concyclic, and to prove this, see that we have to prove that the points E, F, C, D are concyclic. So if we show that the opposite angles like this angle, that is, if you show that this angle plus this angle is 180, or this angle plus this angle is 180, then it is proved. So our task is to prove that this plus this is equal to 180. So first start with this, that is angle ABF, that is in this side quadrilateral, angle ABF plus angle, okay, angle ABF, angle ABF plus angle AEF equal to 180. Okay, number one, because again these two angles are the opposite angles of a side quadrilateral, and the opposite angles are supplementary in a side quadrilateral. The next is also angle AEF plus angle DEF equal to 180 degree, and this is number two, and this is linear pair angles, or you can say that the straight angles. Okay, now from 1 and 2 we get angle ABF plus angle AEF equal to angle AEF plus angle DEF. Okay, now AEF will cancel, then angle ABF equal to angle DEF. Okay, next question. Now this is here that ABF equal to DEF. Okay, that is I proved that ABF, that is this angle equal to this angle. Now the remaining part is like this. Again here that because ABCD is a parallelogram, okay, and therefore ABCD is a parallelogram, and therefore angle ABC plus angle DCB, that is DCB equal to 180 degree, that is adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary in a parallelogram, not in any quadrilateral, but it is true only in a parallelogram. So ABC plus DCB equal to 180 here, or you can write here that ABC equal to what? ABF. Okay, angle ABF, and you can write DCP as what? DCF only. Angle DCF equal to 180. And now here from this one, we will write ABF equal to DEF. That is angle DEF plus angle DCF equal to 180 degree using 1. Okay. So now see that here we have proved that the opposite angles of this coordinate are supplementary here. That is a pair of opposite angles of quadrilateral EDCF are supplementary, and therefore the points EFCD are concyclic. So this is the proof. Okay, so I discussed these questions, 2 questions here, and then I will give you the worksheet on this. Again, more worksheets, because I have also given you the worksheet in the session 14, and this is the session 15 here. And after this chapter, I will start constructions. Okay, so thank you for watching this.